Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how to buy and sell on Opensea. So number one, you're going to need a MetaMask wallet in order to sell. So when you download the MetaMask wallet, it will be here at the top of your screen, whether you're on Google Chrome, you could be on Internet Explorer, Firefox, just get the MetaMask extension, and this is where it will show up. When you're working on Opensea, it's not going to just be up there. It will only show up when you need it to, when you click on it up here at the top, and when you have to authorize and sign your transaction. So to begin, I would get the MetaMask app, and I would send some money over, or either you can buy some Ethereum with your card. So let's just show you how to do that really quick. Once you set your account up and you write down your secret passphrase, I think it's 12 words. Don't give that secret security code to anyone. That is your account. If anyone has that, they can get in your account, steal all your money, steal all of your NFTs. So never give that out. Now, this number up here is your wallet address. You would copy this and you give that to someone in order to receive money. That's the address they send your money to. So this is for people who don't know how to use MetaMask. So Ethereum is the token that most people take, and it's the way that most people pay other people on OpenSea. They also have Polygon, which is another coin you can use. And when you use Polygon, you don't have to pay any fees when you're buying or selling. So that's a good method. But you'll have to swap your Ethereum to Polygon. And there's a way to do that on here. So once we have our MetaMask set up, which only takes a few seconds, write your security code down and you'll be in. It'll give you a wallet address here and you'll write that down. That is safe to give to people, but just not your secret security phrase. Put that in a secure location and don't show it to anybody. All right, so we're in. What we're going to do, so we're going to go here. We have profile, my collections, favorite, account settings. You're going to go to account settings. You're going to set everything up, your email address, the name of your store, everything that you want to say about it, your profile. So once you go to profile, it's going to ask you to sign into your wallet. And that's very simple to do. All right, so I click sign into my wallet and it took me here to my store. As you can see here, my wallet address is showing. And here's the thing. Everybody's wallet address shows up on their MetaMask account. So people can see if you're buying, if you're selling, they can see all the transactions you've done. So that's the thing about the blockchain and Ethereum. Everything can be seen on Etherscan. So you can't hide if you're sending money around. If you have 100,000 in your account, there's no way to hide that. Everybody can see each other's Ethereum address right here. This is my store. So if I've just gotten my account set up, what I'm going to do, like I said, I'm going to go up here and I'm going to go to my account settings. I'm going to set up my email, the name of my store. So I have it named Rare Anomaly Art. I would click on this. I would upload a picture, and then that's the beginning. My MetaMask is connected. So I'm telling you guys that when you first set up your store on OpenSea, it's going to have to authorize your account. So they're going to have to charge you. It's been around $100 to $200 to open your wallet up in order to sell. So you're going to have to pay about $200 the first time, depending on how expensive Ethereum gas fees are. Now, Ethereum gas fees, if you're new, are the fees that you have to pay in order to buy a coin, not a coin, in order to buy an Ethereum NFT. So let's just find one of my Ethereum NFTs right now. So this is an NFT that is Ethereum. If I were somebody else looking at my store and I wanted to buy this for $115, I would click buy now and my MetaMask would pull up, and then it would charge me an additional probably $70 in order to buy this. But when I go back here and I pull up a Polygon NFT, and let me find one of those. I have a combination of both. Now I named this one ETH gas fees. I'm selling it for way less than a penny. This is just for me to get some sales because I'm trying to build my store up. So if I would click buy now on this, the transaction would go through and I wouldn't have to pay Ethereum gas fees because when you use Polygon, it's free. So I would click buy now and my wallet would pull up, and all you have to do is hit sign. And if it's one of the ones that charge you a fee, it will tell you the fee. But because this is Polygon, it won't have to, I won't have to pay a fee. All right, so I'm going to show you guys how to buy an NFT through Polygon. So what I did was I went over here to Marketplace and I clicked on all NFTs. And I'm going to go sort by low to high because I only have $1.93 of Polygon in my wallet. And then I'm going to go to chains. So the chain that I want is the Polygon chain. If I did Ethereum, I would have to pay Ethereum fees if I purchase, and I can't afford the Ethereum fees right now because they are very expensive. So I'm going to the lowest to highest. Or I can go to recently sold and try to find something that may be a little bit more worth it, even though I have, less than $2 in my account. So this looks pretty neat. It was recently sold. Obviously, I can't buy that one, but they have 982 of them. So these are 4 cents. And I think it's very neat. So this is a good method for people who are new and they want to make money. They sold a ton of them a minute ago. So I've taken that same outlook of selling a lot of a small item and it adds up. So looking at their store, they only have 2 items, but they have 673 owners. So this is a good way to get your item out. All right, so I'm going to purchase this for 4 cents. I'm going to click buy now. I'm going to click I have read the information, checkout, and I have to sign here. You have to sign a lot. And it pulls up my MetaMask. And as you can see, there's my address and it shows how much I have in here. And I click sign. We have to let it process. This is a Polygon order. I'm not doing Ethereum because Ethereum, I've done those before and I've spent money on all the Ethereum fees. If you find a good NFT that's worth it, that's going to appreciate in the future, it doesn't really matter if you pay Ethereum fees or not. But sometimes the Ethereum fees are $100 and the NFT is only 60, and it just seems kind of crazy. All right, so as you can see there, it did go through, and that item will now be in my wallet. So let's try to go over to my wallet, or we can just update, and it'll show that this person sold to me. Let's see. It may take a bit to confirm. It doesn't always go through right away. And here it is. So they transferred this item to me 33 seconds ago. As I said, everything is on the blockchain. Whatever you do on here, people can see it. They can see what you bought. They can see what you sold. Everything shows up. So that's how you buy. And you search up here. You search the name of the artist that you want to buy from. And I'll just search my name here. And it shows my collections. And then I would click on the collection and I can go here and find their items. I always use the example of the most popular ones. Let's see. We're going to search for CryptoPunks because that is very popular, even though it's selling for 50 Ethereum. So Ethereum is about $3,800 right now. So that's a lot of money. Let's just click on one really quick so I can show you guys how it works. This one's not for sale, but the last sale was 4 months ago. Sold for 15 Ethereum here. You can see who they sold it to last month. You can see what that person has in their wallet. Wow, they have a lot of CryptoPunks and they're holding on to them all. This person has money. They have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 CryptoPunks. And you can literally copy their wallet and see how much money they have on here. And it's crazy. My account does not have a lot of money because I'm not somebody who keeps a lot of money in crypto, but this person obviously is sitting on a gold mine, and I guess they're just holding on until they get more. But the fact that this sold, these CryptoPunks are selling for, I think, 100 Ethereum. So the fact that this person bought, what was it, 4 months ago, and they never sold, is pretty amazing. This person sold last, also 4 months ago. I want to see the recent sales. That's what I'm curious to see. Let's see. So you can go over here to their activity there, and it shows the recent sales. So 99 Ethereum 2 hours ago. And you can see the person who bought it. Let's see their wallet. It's kind of interesting sometimes to look at people's wallets and see what they bought. Oh, these are pretty cool. And it also gives you ideas on what you should be buying as well. Because if you see that this person who has CryptoPunks, who can afford all this money, then maybe they have something that may be the next big thing. So these derpy birds are pretty interesting. They're going for 2.1 Ethereum, $8,000. I'll look back on this video a few months and say, wow, 2.1 Ethereum, when Ethereum's trading for like 5,000, 6,000, it'll seem like such a small amount. So that's how you buy. And if you make an offer on somebody's item, let me tell you this, I made another video on my other channel, but if you make an offer on someone's item, then you are the one who has to pay. I'm sorry. Is it you have to pay? I think that's it. No. If you make an offer on someone's item, the seller has to pay the Ethereum fee. So if you are a seller and someone offers you wrapped up Ethereum for your item, the seller will have to pay the fees. So if you're selling and they offer you that, then it's best to just let them buy it outright because the seller always pays Ethereum fees. Now, if you are the buyer and you're wanting to get a cheaper price, and instead of offering them, instead of paying 2.1 Ethereum, you want to offer 1.9, then you will get a break because you don't have to pay Ethereum fees. So it helps out when you are a buyer, but when you're a seller, it kind of takes away from you a little bit. So that's something I want to tell you guys. Now, I don't want to be too long. As far as creating, you just go here, you go to collections, and to start off, you'll click create a collection. That's all you have to do, create a collection, and you'll click on that. You'll name the collection, and you put a picture here, a banner, the name, the link that you want the name of the collection to be, the description. Make sure you put some good SEO in there. The category, let's say we want to do art, your Twitter, your Instagram, and the percentage fee is the fee that you get when another person resells your item. So if you sell it for $5 and then 2 months later someone else sells it for $200, then you'll get $20 as far as the 10% you put in. Your Ethereum address, you're gonna go pop up here. You're gonna click MetaMask. You're gonna copy that address that's right there, which I said is public for everybody to see. If they have it, they can see everything that you've done. You copy that, paste it in here, and then you accept what token you want to take. So if you want to only take Ethereum, which is the most popular one, but also charges people gas fees, you'll click accept that you want to accept Ethereum, which is down here somewhere. And if you only want to accept Polygon, then you're going to click Matic. It used to be called Matic, so Matic Ethereum. You can just put that you want to accept. Here we go. Right there. Polygon. Polygon is completely free. When people buy, it's free. When you sell, it's free. Ethereum, when people buy, they have to pay $60 or $70, $80 extra. And when you sell, you don't have to pay, but they do take fees from it once it gets to the person's account. So that's really the basics of buying and selling on Opensea. Just make sure that you keep Ethereum in your wallet because it's kind of a hassle sometimes to send it from your bank. And a lot of times they don't want to accept your debit cards or your credit cards. So you have to do a bank transfer. So I like to keep a couple of hundreds of dollars of Ethereum in my account at all times just because a lot of times they will not let you use your card to buy more. So it makes it much easier. And like I said, your collections, fill out your account information. Your profile is going to show everything that you own. The things you sell and the things that you have bought are going to all show up here together. So that is that. These are my items. I will leave a link below if you guys are interested in some of them. As I said, some of these are on here for less than a penny. Some of them are $1 or $2. And of course, some of them are more expensive. But I'm just trying to showcase my store and get more sales, so get more attention to it. So some of them are very cheap. I have a Twitter and I will link that below as well, and go and give me a follow. We do giveaways for free NFTs sometimes, and I also occasionally give out money as well. So do follow that, my Twitter, for the giveaways. And I appreciate you guys for listening. Crypto is definitely the future, and NFTs are the future too. And we are all going to go to the moon together. I'll see you in the next one. I am out.